Today we're going to talk about how to do center 4, which is time. The first step in this center is to pick up a puzzle packet from the center 4 drawer. After this, you will need to match the puzzles together just like the example shown here. You'll read the time here and connect it with the matching clock. After you have made your matches and they're lined up on your desk, you can use the recording sheet to record your answers. This is an example of one space on your recording sheet. What you will need to do is very carefully record your time. So for example, we'll use 12:41. And down below you'll see the word explanation. This is where you tell me how you know that clock face is showing 12:41. For example, you might write, I know the clock is showing 12:41 because the smaller hour hand is pointing between the 12 and 1 on the clock. The longer minute hand is pointing to the dot after the 8, meaning 41 minutes. Be sure to use really good time vocabulary in your explanation. I'm expecting to see the word clock, hour hand, minute hand, as well as minutes and hours.